This is Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting on the news for Wednesday, March 7th. Bloomberg reports European stocks rose, rebounding from the biggest drop since November, and commodities advanced while Treasuries declined after a report showed American companies increased hiring. U.S. equity futures climbed. The Wall Street Journal reports private sector jobs in the U.S. increased by 216,000 last month, according to a national employment report published by the payroll giant Automatic Data Processing Incorporated and consultancy Macroeconomic Advisors. Reuters reports 30 major holders of Greek government bonds said on Wednesday they will take part in the country's debt swap, increasing chances of the deal going through. These bondholders represent 39.3% of the debt eligible for the exchange, or 81 billion euros. They include the 12 members of the steering committee of bank lobby IIF, who already said on Monday that they would take part in the debt swap. Another look towards Russia post-presidential election. The Wall Street Journal reports Vladimir Putin on Tuesday dismissed opponents' allegations of widespread fraud in Sunday's presidential election as political tactics. Meanwhile, officials defended the violent breakup by police of an anti-Kremlin rally in Moscow the day before. Monday's scenes of heavily armed riot police forcibly removing demonstrators suggested the Kremlin is taking a harder line against critics now that Mr. Putin won a third presidential term with 64% of Sunday's vote. Opposition leaders are planning another protest for Saturday. The protests, combined with a sharp turn for the worse in global financial market sentiment, brought an abrupt end to the rally in Russian assets that had greeted Mr. Putin's triumph on Monday. The benchmark local stock market index fell over 3% in general risk-off, inspired by events elsewhere. The Wall Street Journal also reports the new iPad that Apple is expected to announce today could do more than lift the technology company's sales. It could also be a boon for Verizon Wireless. People familiar with the matter have said the new iPad will support a wireless broadband technology called LTE. Verizon has by far the country's largest LTE network, which could give the company a competitive edge this year against rival AT&T. I'm Daria Shabad with CorporateProfile.com reporting directly from Wall Street. Thank you for watching, and please tune in again for more hot financial news.